So, you're probably wondering how I got here. What's up? And today we are going to do something really fun. I'm going to bring you on a little field trip with me. I'm currently sitting in my car before my hair appointment, and I'm about to turn 30, and I don't know if I'm having like a quarter life crisis or I just want to have fun, because I do like to have a little fun, but I think I'm going to dye my hair pink again. Now, I haven't sprung this on my hairstylist yet, so she might tell me no, but I'm really hoping, since I'm pretty light, she could take me back pink. Now, if you are an OG follower of mine, you know I used to have long pink hair. I love my pink hair. I love a good like alternative look with my tattoos and the pink hair. I don't know. When I was a kid, I always wanted to have colorful hair, and my parents were like, no. And now I'm like 30 years old, and I'm like, well, I make the rules now. With all that being said, let's go to the salon and let's get some pink hair. So I did it. I walked into the salon fully prepared to beg for pink hair like it was a matter of national importance. And honestly, it kind of was. First stop, the lobby. Calm, peaceful, and totally unaware of the chaos I was about to unleash. And then it's go time. I'm in the chair, extensions out, looking like a plucked chicken with a dream. My stylist lays out the foils and tools like it's a science experiment. And then that moment, the pink, that perfect pink, we squeeze it into the bowl and mix it up like a magical potion, and it's officially real. Watching it go on the extensions, actual serotonin. And then it's my turn. Dye on head, plastic wrap vibes, full commitment. Extensions were hanging nearby like pink jellyfish, and I'm just sitting there thinking, yep, I'm me again. I'm in the bathroom while my hair is processing. My extensions are out right now. I'm looking so pink. I'm so excited. Only a little bit longer and I'll be ready for the transformation. Oh my God, you guys. I have pink hair again. I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm really feeling like myself again. I just love the pink hair moment, and this just like really makes my inner child happy. I didn't get to film as much as I wanted to in the salon. It was really busy in there, and sometimes I'm a little camera shy, but I am absolutely obsessed with how my hair turned out. I feel like I'm just really ready for summer. I'm really ready to just, I don't know, I need to like go have a girls' night or something, but I have lots of fun and chaotic videos coming with the new pink hair, and I'd love for you to subscribe, and let's just like spend the summer together and just like have some fun. But until my next video, which will be with pink hair, I'll see you later. Bye.